Hello and welcome to the short introduction of tapio, the administration portal for all your licenses, users, machines, and many more in the whole cosmos of Tapio. So I already logged into our tapio, so that's basically what you see as a customer when you register successfully on tapio.one as a Tapio customer. On the left side you see all the tabs which are really important. You can manage, as I told you, machines, applications, users, but also service partner relationships and the whole shop floor as a digital twin in tapio. We just opened up here the machines, so you see we already added different machines which are they got different statuses. So we got connected machines, we got limited machines, or we got the status in verification. So basically connected means the machines are actively connected to Tapio, so they can send data. So you can use every application by Tapio, which is machine board, data safe, service board, or Twinio. So when your machine is limited, you can't use machine board and data safe because you don't send any data to Tapio, but you still can use Twinio or service board. So it's really perfect just to use those applications as well. In verification means the specific machine manufacturer is just in verification the status of your machines. On the right corner you always can add in the different tabs, for example, machines or users or service partner relationships or new elements in the production. So applications, you see a nice overview of all your applications you bought in the Tapio shop. You see the number of licenses, you see the users you're using the licenses, and you can also add new users here under the user section. Just click on add. You can simply choose if the new one should be a user or administrator. Just type in the email address, they get an invitation, they're gonna register for your company, and then you're good to go to give them specific licenses. Service partner is something you're doing one time. So if you want to use service board, for example, for HOMAG, you just have to add here a service partner relationship. So you just choose HOMAG as your service partner, and then you get the approval for using service board with HOMAG. Yeah, and last but not least, we got the shop floor. That's basically a digital twin of your shop floor. So that means you can add machines, you can add cells, you can add tool storages or incoming goods or outgoing goods or preparation stations. So you basically can add every element on your shop floor in a digital way. And all those groups or locations will be displayed either in machine board right now as a group of machines, or in Twinio for your locations, just to book those tools and materials on the different locations. Yeah, that's basically it. So I would say just register on tapio.one, and then when you're in tapio, just go through the different tabs and just try to manage all your machines, applications, users, and service partner relationships, and then you're good to go for the next step of digitalization. Yeah, thanks a lot. Hope to see you in the next short introduction. Bye.